2015 Subaru BRZ just got about 100k miles on it. A lot of neglected maintenance. Why don't we check out what we're doing today? Awesome. So yeah, just about 100k. This is, I can almost guarantee you, the original clutch, and it looks like the original plugs too. So spark plugs due at 60. That means these were 40k over the service interval, and pretty scary, I think, because they were in there so long. They felt like they were gonna strip on the way out. Super tight to remove these plugs. You can see our favorite OEM throwout bearing. Per usual, sounds like a skateboard. You can see this clutch is just about done too, and you can hear those springs in there rattle around. Let me try to finger one of these springs from the back. Yeah, you can see that guy is gonna bust out of there at any minute. What was that one mark I saw on the spring? Yeah, you can see some contact right there. Our favorite mod, ultimate throwout bearing kit. Got the Verus uprated fork and the pivot behind there, all clean, greased up, ready to go. The ultimate throwout bearing kit is going to ensure a comprehensive repair. This guy solves all the problems that the troublesome OEM throwout bearing has. Solves all of them. Isn't that right, Dexter? This time we're doing a OEM replacement, Exetti clutch kit and flywheel. Perfectly fine. This customer uses this 99% a daily driver. Sometimes does canyon runs. The OEM Exetti clutch kit and flywheel is plenty fine. Exetti is honestly my favorite clutch company. I've used their clutches and flywheels for, 20 plus years now. Some fun stuff with this neglected car, and some unskilled hands have definitely been in here. For some reason, although the clutch seems to be original 100k, someone's definitely had the engine or the transmission out before. I can tell because there is this blue multi-purpose grease on all these bell housing bolts. Whoever put grease on these bell housing bolts, you deserve the Numbnuts of the Year award. Putting grease on these bolts is a surefire way to over torque and strip out the bolt holes in the engine block. I always put Loctite on these fasteners. I've definitely seen bell housing bolts back out before, even on daily drivers. Numbnuts of the Year award. Do not put grease on your bell housing bolts. I had to clean out all the bolt holes of grease on the engine block side, and it's pretty funny. All the lubricant where it does not belong, and then you can see I already put anti-seize on these dowels. These dowels were dry when I got them, so all the lubricant where it did not belong and none of it where it did belong. And of course, no anti-seize on the dowels beforehand, even though somebody serviced this beforehand. Transmission was good and stuck, so I had to fight it on the way out.